Hey, I'm down here in the corner. If you're like me and you like to use DaVinci Resolve, but you're not like a really seasoned veteran, you're kind of kindergarten level. Um, Sometimes it's nice to know these little tricks that can make your editing a little easier. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know how to edit your footage to the beats of a song. So that's what we're going to do. So what I have here is a bunch of cat pictures and a cat appropriate tune that Epidemic Sound picked. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to somehow figure out the best place to stitch my pictures together so they change along with the beat of the music. So to do that, let's click on our song here and then go over to the music tab. And if you look up here in the corner, there's this kind of grid looking thing. Click on that and you'll see a time scale resolution in these display grids and whatnot. So let's pick tempo. In tempo, if you know the beats per minute of your song, change it right here. For my particular song, I know that the beats per minute is 152. Okay, so now I'm going to say display grid. What we're doing is we're kind of setting up a beat grid to make it easier to find the beats. So I'm going to display the grid, and now all of a sudden I have all these extra lines show up, and these are the beats that I want to edit. I can edit to if I want. So I just pick whichever ones I want, and then I annotate them. Now you do that by, let's see, first we'll pick a song right here, we'll pick a beat right here, and I'm going to press M. I'm going to mute it for a second so we don't get distracted. I'm going to press an M, and that'll put one of those blue markers on the screen. And I have 7 pictures, so we'll just put 7 markers on here. There's a marker, and we'll do one here. I'm just kind of picking them at random, so there's a little bit of a variation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll do one more right there. Okay, so now I have marks because the first picture is on the very beginning. So we have the first picture at the beginning, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these markers will translate over to the timeline. So let's click on the timeline. And here's our marks. Now you can see that the pictures are kind of all over the place. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this first picture here to line up with the first marker. And you can see that there's like a line appears with the marker to make it pretty easy to line it up. Alright, so we'll do the next picture. Line it up. And next picture. Now you can bit down. Come on now. Sometimes these pictures are a little stubborn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are the rest of them? Editing. Oh, there's right there. Okay, let me scroll this one back. I'm going to bring all these back. There's probably a really fast way to do this, but I just don't know how to do it yet. Alright. And that's it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there one more? There is one more. And okay, now we have our cuts on the beat with our pictures, and let's just see how it works. Okay, that worked pretty easily. These are the little tips that kind of help me. If you're a beginner like I am, maybe this will help you. So on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.